Hello, church, and particularly disciples in Virginia. This is your regional minister, Bill Spangler-Dunning, and I want to bring you a pastoral message around COVID-19 today. The sun is shining out today, and it is a beautiful day to be outside in God's creation. We've even learned that there is a vaccine on the way, with hopes of distribution sometime in the spring. And I know we all look forward to that day. But we're also hearing of record high numbers of COVID-19 tests, positive tests every single day. Doctors are telling us again that they're running out of beds in their hospitals and it's getting dangerous again. And they're appealing to us, pleading with us to do whatever we can as individuals and as churches, as groups, to stem the spread of this virus, wearing our masks, keeping physically distanced from one another. Governors across this country, both Republicans and Democrats, are appealing to the members of their state to rise to this occasion, to shake off the tiredness and the exhaustion that we have around COVID-19 and re-engage our efforts to wear our masks and keep physically distanced. In many states, they're also finding the need to reduce the amount of numbers that can gather in groups. And here in Virginia, that number has gone from 250 to 25 starting on Monday. It is notable that these new restrictions will not apply to churches because churches have an exception to these new guideline rules. But I, as your regional minister, pastorally am asking you to follow these guidelines, that if you're meeting in person or when you're gathering in groups, that you double down on your efforts to be safe, to do whatever you can, wearing your mask, staying physically distanced, but taking extra precautions as we look forward to that day when there is a vaccine. Now, I'm also aware that Thanksgiving gatherings are coming up, and we all know that it is these kinds of gatherings that have often reinvigorated the spread of the virus. I know when we're around family, I know I do, I let down my guard a little bit. But I want to appeal to you that if you can, alter those gatherings. But if you must meet together, please do whatever you can to take seriously this virus. Do whatever you can, wearing your masks and keep socially distanced, even when cooking, even when they're gathered in the same house. Dear church, I pray every day for each and every one of you, for our churches. I hear stories of people doing everything they can and yet still getting the virus. Let us pray together and let us do whatever we can to keep others safe, to keep ourselves safe, and for the community as well. Dear church, I pray for you and offer you this message around COVID-19 this day.